Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a first impressions and kind of try on of these are the I Heart Revolution, so part of the Revolution brand, Heartbreakers palettes. So they just look like this. Now this one is called Sweetheart. So these are meant to look like the Colourpop £9 palettes, which are also very affordable. So they brought these out very recently and there was quite a few colours. There was a nude one, a blue one, a green one, this pink, red, so quite a few colours in them. So these are £5 and now you can get this from the Revolution Beauty website and you can also get them from Superdrug. There's usually some kind of offer on Superdrug, like 3 for 2 or some kind of discount, and then on Revolution's website at the moment you can build a bundle with like a blush and a highlighter, I think it is, and like one of these palettes, and then get a little bit of money off. But that is currently as it stands. I don't know whether, you know, in a couple of weeks time that will have changed. So I'm going to put some base on my eyes now and zoom you in. Okay, so my base is on. I'm currently trying out the Technic Eye Canvas and mine is in the shade Light. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the P. Louise base. I got mine from, I think it's called Body Care, and it's like £2, and so far I've been quite liking it. So yeah, I do quite like Technic. They do actually some cheap bargains, so check out my Instagram because I'm always like posting about like my little Technic finds, and I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box. So anyway, let's get back to the eyeshadow palette. So these are the shades and there are no names to the shades. There's just on the back it has numbers. So I'm just going to point and tell you which eyeshadow I'm going to use. So there's only a few really transition colours I would use. So I would either use this brown or like this pink. So I'm going to go in with like this tan colour and just put that in the crease. That's the first shade down. It does actually look quite nice now that it's on. So I don't know if you can see the pan. It does look a little bit messy. There was quite a little bit of like fallout when I tapped my brush in it, and I'm not really like a messy person when it comes to eyeshadow, but there was quite a bit of like mess in the pan, and when I blended it on my eyes I felt like it blended away a little bit, but then you can layer it up. So it might be really good if like you go in with too much powder, you can blend it out, but you know, I think it's still got quite good pigmentation. Okay, so with this palette I would say that there's not a lot of really deep shades because this is your deepest shade, and at this stage I'd probably put something like this in my crease. Yeah, so there's not, I think there's too many mid-tone shades and not enough deeper shades. Like they could have done with one really darker shade. So I'm going to put this, yeah, see, I can't even put this one in the crease because this is more like a satin. It's not exactly a shimmer, but it's not a matte. Like I wouldn't put that in my crease. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this purple and just put that in the crease. Okay, so I wanted to put something a little bit deeper on the crease and I don't feel like there's anything like deeper in here. So I'm going to go into this Nabla Cutie palette and I'm just going to use this brown here and put that on the outer corners. The brown on, and I wanted to put some shimmer on now, so it's between this purple and this pink because I don't really fancy this white. I think, oh, they're both really pretty. I think I'm going to go with this pink. Yeah, they're both really nice, but I'm going to go for the pink. So the pink is on and I think it looks really pretty. It kind of feels like it's got a little bit of a duochrome to it, and it, like, in some lights it looks a little bit purpley, but it didn't apply well with the brush at all. It just kind of flaked all over my face and didn't really apply anything. So I went in with my finger and then just packed it on, and it went on really nicely. So yeah, definitely the technique with the shimmers is to use your finger. I'm just going to put a colour under my lids now. I'm going to use this mauve colour because I do like mauves. I'm just going to try putting a little bit of that white on the brow bone now, just to see if it picks up a little bit better with the brush than the other shimmer did. So there might be like a different kind of formula. Yeah, that applies okay. So maybe it's a different, the shimmer is a different formula. Obviously it's just like a little sheen, but then if you want it more intense, you can put it on with your finger. Okay, so I have just put some liner on now, and that is the look complete. I'm not wearing lashes because I normally have lash extensions and they've all come off. I'm waiting to get a new set put on, and I just can't bother putting lashes on because, you know, false lashes for me aren't like an everyday thing, and you know, it's nice to be able to wear makeup without having to put lashes on, you know. I know they can really transform a look, but I'm just really tired, so I think it's a really nice look without lashes anyway. So yeah, I think this palette is nice. Definitely the mattes are better than the shimmers. The shimmers need a little bit of work, but I think that in general of Revolution shadows, I think you do need to put a little bit more work into them than the mattes. I think the mattes are good. The first one that I tried did blend all the way a little bit, but the pigmentation was there if you like to build it up. If you like ultra pigmented shadows, these might not be for you, like if you don't want to have to spend the time working them up. The shimmers were nice, but again, I had to put a little bit of effort in using my fingers, which I don't normally like, but you know, on this occasion it's fine because I have had my nails made a little bit shorter, so I can actually get in there this time, so I didn't mind it as much. But if you've got long nails, it might be a little bit difficult to do that. So I think this is like only £5, this palette, so I think for the price it is really good. Revolution do other palettes that you get like more product in and more shades for around that price, so it's up to you whether you want to buy one of those or one of those. I love pink eyeshadow, so this look is like right up my street. So yeah, I think these are like nice. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them. So thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see me do some videos with the other ones, I have got the red and the green one, just let me know. I did do a haul with like where I got these and like loads of other Revolution products, so I will link that in the description box so you can check that out and all the other goodies that I got. So thanks for watching guys, and I will see you again shortly. Bye!